Good morning. Wanted to bring you on one of our other job sites. Let me jump over this truck and show you around. And on this house, we've replaced the tile roofs already. You can see we've replaced the shiplap and the 1x all along the bottoms. The tile portion we're done, and we're just wrapping up on the flat section here. We've installed a built-up torch-down roof on this house. We still need to do some finishing touches here. This is the primary house. We've installed a poly fresco white reflective roll. You can see here that it's super bright. This does a great job reflecting the sun, as well as keeping the water out. So this is pretty much what our job site looks like on the last day. We're wrapping up corners, sealing the edges, and things like that. Like I mentioned already, we've replaced this tile roof. We've installed new flashings, new underlayment. This was actually the old tile that we removed and reinstalled. Today what we're doing is applying white mastic silicone around these corners. You can still see it's still wet along all these corners and vulnerable areas before we install our coping. Now this house had tile coping, so we're going to be installing clay tiles around the perimeter of the house. It's kind of the style of the house, you know, with the Spanish style going on. You can see here our bleed outs are really important on the torch down. You want to make sure you have nice, clean, even bleed outs and not too much or too little. Manufacturer calls for like somewhere between 1/8 and 3/16 of bleed out. So you want to see nice, clean lines all throughout. Always make sure you have your fire extinguisher on the job anytime you're using any type of an open flame. So just keep that in mind as well. Safety is real important. Torch down systems are great, but there are safety concerns that come with it as well. So just keep that in mind always. Let me go over to the garage and show you what we have going on there. On this garage, we've already installed the base layer. That's a glass base. The glass base really helps in fireproofing. So in order to achieve a Class A fire rating, we have to have a glass base installed, and it also protects the roof, the deck, from the open flame. So you can see we've got it fastened down real good around the perimeters and every 12 inches on center. This may look like overkill, but really this is what's holding your roof down to the deck. And you want to make sure that that's fastened down good so that you have a nice tight seal and you never have any bubbling, because that can happen a lot on these torch down roofs. And you can see over here we've installed our torch down already, and now it's time to bleed out our seams. We always like doing the seams second. What that allows us to do is really pay attention to the most important areas on a torch down roof, which is the seam. The middle of the roof, that field of that roll, you want to get it heated in order for it to stick to the glass base. But as far as waterproofing goes, those seams are really what matters. Over here you can see like that little bead, black bead. That's constantly what you want to see anywhere along your seams and along your flashings as well. We installed low-rise flashing, which has like a little lip on them, and really prefer that in order to be able to get that molted tar butting up against it, and we have a real nice clean joint all along there. Guys, thanks for watching the Roof Repair Specialist job site tour. If there's any other videos you'd like to see, please let us know, whether it's a job site tour or installation how-to. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to provide that for you. We've got other videos you can view. Please like and subscribe, and keep in mind that we're based in Southern California, so we're building to the codes here. If you're in a different area, look out for that. Make sure you're doing things right in your area, in your climate zone. Thanks again. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.